In this video, we will test the asynchronous code. Just create an asynchronous function. Let's say function print name, alright, and return new, promise, resolve, reject, and let's say resolve test, like this. Okay, or maybe no, let me write my name like that. I will export this as well. So we are returning a promise, it is simply resolving this. So what will happen? First, let us console log right here only. Print name dot then console log like this. Alright. It is printing lucky. Alright. What I will do is that I will create a new test suite for it. Anyway, describe testing the asynchronous code. Alright, so now I will write my test case. Test prints the name. First we will do without async and await. So I will write here without async and await, and print name dot then res. Expect res to be lucky. Alright. Should we run this? Of course. I will be running this. Yeah. It works. Now we will be using async and await. So test prints the name async await. Async callback and const res equals to await print name res dot anything, nothing. So expect res to be lucky. Again, I am running this now. Will it pass? It does. 2 passed. Test suits, 1 passed. Test 2 passed. 5 skipped, so we are not using those. And prints the name, prints the async and await. This is, guys, how you can handle the asynchronous code in just test cases. I mean, this is how you can test the asynchronous functions using the jest library.